Hi all, and welcome back. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's rapidly reshaping the landscape of enterprise technology, the rise of AI agents and its transformative effect on SaaS. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how AI agents are basically rewriting the rules of SaaS. I'll give you the exact steps to bring it into your own work and talk numbers, how you can actually measure the impact on your bottom line. And yeah, we'll even peek into what's coming next because this tech is moving fast. So if you're curious about how AI is changing businesses, stick around. All right, quick pause for a shameless plug. If you want to dive deeper into the data side of things, I've written a book called The Data Edge that you might find helpful. It's about unlocking the power of AI through effective data strategies. You can find the link in the description of this video. Before we jump in, let's acknowledge the incredible speed at which technology is evolving. For decades, we've been building endings to manual labor, endings to tedious tasks, ending to inefficient processes. We've built software, we've moved to the cloud, and yeah, we've made some serious progress, no doubt. But let's be honest, we're still hitting those human limitations. We're still slow, we still make mistakes, and there's just so much to do. What if we could really automate things with systems that are intelligent and can make decisions on their own? This is the premise of AI agents. It's the next big step in enterprise software, and it's going to change everything. Today, we'll explore this exciting frontier. Now, let's rewind. Since the early 2000s, SaaS revolutionized software delivery. The evolution of technology has been remarkable. We remember the days of cumbersome on-premise systems. They were inflexible and costly to maintain. Then cloud computing emerged, transforming the landscape with subscriptions and scalability. And now with AI agents, we are witnessing another evolution. To understand the shift, let's recap SaaS. In the simplest terms, SaaS is a way of delivering software where instead of installing it on your own computers, you can access it over the internet. It's like renting software instead of buying it outright. So SaaS took off like a rocket for good reasons. Think about it. Way cheaper than traditional software, scales up and down like a dream based on your needs, and accessible from anywhere. It's like the perfect solution for the modern business. However, this rapid advancement and reliance on SaaS applications have inadvertently created a new challenge. While these tools have automated numerous tasks, they still require significant human intervention for configuration, management, and integration. This dependence on human involvement is a considerable operational bottleneck. Let's face it, the sheer number of SaaS applications we're all dealing with is overwhelming. Each one has its own unique interface and way of doing things. And let's not forget the time-consuming manual entry and the constant switching between systems. It's a recipe for errors and delays. Now let's talk about something fundamental to every business, transaction cost. Traditionally successful businesses are defined by their ability to reduce these costs, making things simpler and easier for us, the users. But what if that's changing? What if the focus shifts from companies streamlining transactions to our own personal AI agents handling that for us? Think about it. Instead of relying on a company's UX to minimize cognitive load, our AI could be negotiating the best deals, navigating complex systems, and making purchases on our behalf. This shift could redefine the competitive landscape where the efficiency of a company's UI becomes less critical than the capabilities of our personal AI agents. To address this challenge, we turn to the innovative potential of AI agents. AI agents are autonomous entities that leverage artificial intelligence to perform specific tasks or achieve desired goals. Now, you might be wondering how AI agents differ from other types of AI, like generative AI or traditional AI. Well, I've actually made a whole video dedicated to exploring those differences in detail. It covers the unique characteristics of each type of AI, their strengths and weaknesses, and their ideal use cases. If you're interested in learning more about that, I highly recommend checking that out. But in a nutshell, AI agents are not just about those tedious tasks we all hate. Though, let's be honest, that's a pretty great perk in itself. But the real game changer here is the ability to tackle complex, multi-step processes that would normally require a whole team of humans. This frees us up to focus on the big picture, the strategic stuff that really moves the needle. And it doesn't stop there. These AI agents are data crunching machines able to identify patterns and make informed decisions faster than any human could. And the best part, they are constantly learning and improving. So the more data they process, the smarter they get. It's like having a team of experts that just keeps getting better and better over time. So while traditional SaaS provides you with software tools, AI agents go a step further. They can automate entire workflows from data analysis and decision-making to execution and monitoring. Plus, they constantly learn and adapt, improving their performance over time and becoming even more valuable to your business. Think of it this way. Traditional AI is like having a toolbox, while AI agents are like having a skilled craftsperson who uses those tools to build something amazing. AI agents are already making a significant impact across various industries. In healthcare, they're being used for tasks like patient diagnosis, treatment delivery, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. In finance, they are helping with fraud detection, risk management, and algorithmic trading. And in manufacturing, they're used for predictive maintenance, quality control, supply chain optimization, and production planning. But the potential applications of AI agents are truly limitless. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and impactful use cases emerge across all sectors. Okay, so we've established that AI agents are awesome and have the potential to revolutionize your business. But how do you actually go about implementing them? It's not as simple as flipping a switch. There are some crucial steps you need to take to ensure smooth and successful integration. First things first, you need to take a good hard look in the mirror and assess your organization's readiness. Are you truly prepared to embrace this new technology? This involves asking some tough questions. Think about your data maturity. Do you have the necessary data to train and fuel these AI agents? Is it well organized, accessible, and of high quality? Remember, garbage in, garbage out. Data is the lifeblood of any AI system, and AI agents are no exception. In fact, because they are so specialized, the quality and relevance of your data are even more critical. Think of it like this. You wouldn't feed a racehorse a diet of junk food, right? Similarly, you need to feed your AI agents a healthy diet of clean, accurate, and relevant data. This means investing in data cleansing, data labeling, and data governance processes. If you want to learn more about data governance, check out my recent video. You also need to consider your technological infrastructure. Do you have the computing power and cloud resources to support these AI systems? Are your current systems compatible with the integration of AI agents? AI agents need to integrate seamlessly with your existing systems and workflows to be truly effective. This can be a complex process requiring careful planning and execution. You need to consider how your data will flow between your different systems and how the AI agents will interact with your existing software. This might involve APIs, data pipelines, and even some custom development. And just as important is cultural readiness. Is your company's culture open to change and innovation? Are your employees willing to embrace new ways of working alongside AI? Implementing new technology always involves change, and change can be challenging. You need to prepare your employees for the arrival of these AI agents and ensure they understand how to work with them effectively. This involves providing comprehensive training and support, addressing any concerns or fears, and fostering a culture of collaboration between humans and AI. Remember, the goal is not to replace humans with AI, but to empower them with AI. Now let's talk about the return on investment, the ROI. After all, you're not implementing these AI agents just for fun, right? You want to see tangible results. So how do we know if our AI agents are actually doing a good job? Well, it's all about the KPIs, the key performance indicators. Now, these will differ depending on what you are aiming for and your specific industry, but let's look at some common ones we can all relate to. First up, efficiency. Are things running smoother? Are tasks getting done faster with fewer hiccups? That's a good sign right there. Then we've got costs. Are we saving money on labor, materials, or other resources? Are we cutting down on waste and spending smarter? That's music to any manager's ears. Let's not forget decision making. Are we making better choices based on what the AI is telling us? Are we seeing improved outcomes? That's where the real value lies. And of course, there's customer satisfaction. Are we giving them a better overall experience? In the end, it all boils down to the bottom line, revenue. Are we making more money because of these AI systems? Are we seeing new business opportunities or more sales? That's what we all want to see. When we're talking about evaluating the ROI of these AI agents, right, we can't just look at the upfront cost. We have to compare it to what we're already spending on traditional SaaS solutions. Sure, the initial investment in AI might be a little bit higher, but the long-term benefits, they often outweigh those costs. Think about it. How much are we losing right now due to inefficiencies, errors, and missed opportunities? AI agents can cut those costs significantly. Plus, they can open up new revenue streams by improving customer satisfaction and helping us identify new business opportunities. So the ROI of AI agents, it's definitely worth considering. Now let's take a glimpse into the future. What does the future hold for SaaS and AI? Well, one thing is clear, the lines between them are blurring. What we're witnessing today is a convergence, emerging, if you will, of SaaS and what we call agentic AI. Now, what this means in practical terms is that those traditional SaaS applications, the ones we're all familiar with, they're becoming smarter and more autonomous. They are incorporating AI agents to provide even greater value. Think about it this way. Your software is not just a tool anymore. It's becoming a partner, a collaborator. It's proactively assisting you, helping you to reach your goals. Now, this shift, this convergence, it's going to have a massive impact on the market. We can expect to see increased personalization, software tailored to you and your business. We'll see enhanced automation, freeing us up for higher level tasks. Decision-making will improve with AI-driven insights, and of course, we'll see new business models emerging. It's truly a transformative time in the SaaS world. So to sum it all up, it's pretty clear we're standing at the edge of something big here. We're not talking about incremental changes. This is a full-blown sea change in how enterprise software is going to work. The pace of change has never been faster, and staying ahead means constantly learning, adapting, and innovating. Implement the strategies we've discussed today, stay informed about the latest advancements, and if you want to go deeper, grab my book, The Data Edge, for a more detailed exploration. As I say, in this new era, data is not just king, it's the entire kingdom. If you found this discussion valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.